Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can program STM32F103 microcontroller. Let's get started. Open the STM32 CubeIDE. In this page go to the File, New, STM32 project. Wait for the initialization process. Here, go to the part number and type STM32F103C8. Select the part number, click Next, give project a name, LED, click Finish. Before we jump to programming, we should make some hardware configurations. Come to A to Z sections and select sys. In the debug menu, select serial wire. Okay, now go to RCC, select HSE as crystal ceramic resonator. Okay, and we should select the PC13 as an GPIO output. Okay, we are done with pinout configurations, and now come to the clock configuration. In this section, select HSE, and from this one, select PLL clock. Okay, now everything is done, and save this project. The program will generate the C code. Okay, now the environment is ready and we can start writing our C code. Come to the write one section. In this section, clear the comments. The first command is related to the pin toggling. The command is hull underline GPIO underline toggle pin GPIO C GPIO underline pin 14. Okay, this command will toggle the pin from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Now we are going to add 500 milliseconds delay here. 500. Okay, now save the project and build the project. Build finished and 0 errors and warnings. Now we are going to make some hardware connections. Just plug in the programmer. The program that we are using is STLink V2. The table here, this one is related to VCC. The yellow one is ground. Red one is SWIO. The orange one is SW clock. Plug the programmer power board and plug in the power supply. Okay, now come to the debug configurations. Select this one, and this is the .elf file which is going to be executed. And in debugger sections, select open OCD and show generator options, and select reset mode to software system reset and the SWD frequency to 4 MHz. Okay, now everything is done and we can start our debugging. Okay, come to this step over icon, press until you come to the while one section. As I mentioned, the toggle pin command will toggle the pin from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Step over. As you see, the pin is changed from 1 to 0 state, and the next command is delay. Okay, the delay also has been executed, and we wait for 500 milliseconds. Again, by pressing the step over, the toggle pin is again going to be executed, and the LEDs went on, again off. And by pressing the resume button, it will blink every 500 milliseconds. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and comment below. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.